Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and split bills on Revolut. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to give you two methods to go ahead and do that. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Revolut application and log in into your account. The first one method is going to be splitting a single payment for recent transactions. So go to your payments or activity feed in the Revolut app, then tap the specific payment you want to split, so dinner, movie tickets, anything. Then look for the split bill button, often in the top left. Select friends from Revolut contacts or add them, then choose to split evenly or adjust amounts per person, and then confirm. Then notifications are going to be sent to your friends to pay their share. You can also go ahead and use the group bills, which is going to be method two, and that's going to be by going to payments, and then inside of payments, go to groups and create a new group. Example, housemates, trip, and so on. Then add bills either by linking transactions or creating custom expenses. Then decide who owes what, equals split or custom. Then Revolut tracks everything and sends reminder to settle, making it easier to clear balances. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.